Good afternoon from the Arizona desert. My name is Tom, and if you'll allow me to go back in time to Thursday, I had a little bit of a old fuddy-duddy moment where my body just went for a loop. I had my gallbladder taken out about 2 years ago, and I'm not supposed to eat fatty foods, and I love bratwurst, and I went ahead and ate two, and it threw my body for a loop. So I ended my dash early. I only worked almost 8 hours, so from roughly 6 o'clock in the morning, until 2 o'clock in the afternoon. Orders weren't that good. I was declining maybe 2 or 3 orders. Wasn't happy. My stomach was gurgling. I felt like I was going to lose it out the back end, and as a result, I'm like, you know what? I'm going to take some time off and let my body settle back down and come back out swinging. And so I ended my dash on Thursday early, and as a result, I didn't post anything. I really used that time while I was down in order to be able to set up my laptop to prep for this mobile office that I'm getting ready to install inside of the vehicle. And so I posted 137.13 on Thursday, and the number 1530.75 at the bottom there, remember that's roughly a little over $300 that was carryover from last Sunday, and so that number needs to come down. But I wanted to post this video so that I could add it to the playlist that I have for each of the weeks. I've started to create playlists of week 1 through week 52, and so I just wanted to keep the numbers straight, the videos there, try and explain what was going on during that time frame. So so that's what ended up happening. I hope you guys made money. I hope that you got home safe. I hope that you made it home to your loved ones. I hope that you're still focused and on track to meet your financial goals. And that's the main objective. Sometimes we fall by the wayside, but we have to remember what our why is, and we have to get back on the horse, get back to DoorDash, and start grinding again, start churning out those numbers so that we can apply those funds to our personal finances to either sustain our current lifestyle, get ahead, or reduce our debt. So that's the ultimate goal. So with that, I'm going to let you go. Like I said, just a quick short video. Wanted to put this out there just so that I can keep my numbers straight and log what actually transpired. With that, I'd like to say have a good night and ciao for now.